see how far we can get. I just put in a cup of water. Let's see what it does. F7, and you hear some sort of weird glitchy noise. So, alright, if you turn on your microwave and you hear zzz, 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 maybe you see the bulb dimming and it's not working, and then it goes to F7 on the display. That zapping noise could be coming from right down in here. There's a little connection there on this board. Now this board is right here. Hey, this is the board that it's could be coming from, and then right there will be making a spark. If you take this bezel off, open it up and run it looking through the fan, you can kind of see little electrical current going on there. And this board is right in there. You can see this one still in the microwave. So I'm going to pull this board out. Now this is what powers the magnetron, and it's a little tricky. There's a screw right here you need to take out. There's a couple screws, I think at least one right down here at the bottom, that you have to access from this way. It's not that easy. Unfortunately, it doesn't just slip out like that. Okay, these wires, I have to pull up this plastic covering with some pliers so that I'm able to pinch. There we go, got that one. Pull the cover up, access that little stupid. Alright.